যাচ্ছিল, গাড়িটার থেকে হেল্প নে। কোনো দরকারই ছিল না এখানে দাঁড় করানোর, কে বলেছে দাঁড় করাতে?
If we shout, you're just gonna make things worse.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीसति लोक उजागर, रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा. Our car got stuck in Chorla Ghat. Samrat wanted to take a view, and in order to take the view, the car just got stuck at the edge of the Chorla Ghat, guys. We are super scared. The car is not moving and it's absolutely on the edge of Chorla Ghat. Everyone, welcome to the Bong Wanderers. This vlog is about our journey from Goa to Hyderabad. In this vlog you would get to know at what time we started, how much time it took for us to reach Hyderabad, and what's the route we have taken, what are the pit stops, and how are the road conditions. So stay tuned till the end of the vlog to have a bag full of information to plan your trip back home better. We started at 6 in the morning, and as per Google, the ETA is 15 hours basis the route we have chosen. So we will let you know what is the route we have chosen, what's the reason behind that route as we make progress. Let's see how much time it takes. For now, we will leave you with glimpses of Goa early morning. It is always a difficult moment for us whenever we say goodbye to Goa, and this time is no exception. Not sure when we will come back again. Until next time, dear Goa.
We are now taking the shortcut to Chorla Ghat through SH5, which is in good condition. So we are avoiding 66. We are on SH5 to Chorla.
We have seen few comments in our earlier vlogs where some of you have kind of recommended that during road trips, we both should talk continuously, or we both should keep talking. And some of you have asked that why is it me who does most of the talking in road trip vlogs. So the reason is that Samrat is driving, right? And when he's driving on highways at a decent speed, his focus should be only and only on road and nowhere else. And most of the time when we pass on information to you, it's while we are on the move, because we do not have time to every time stop by and share details with you, otherwise we'll be very late. And that is why he prefers not to talk while he's driving. Only when he's very sure about the road and he knows that he can talk and drive, that's when you hear him talking. And that's the reason why you get to see me doing most of the talking in road trips. But we take your feedback. What we will do is, whenever we are not on the move and trying to capture something, we will make him talk. So your wish is our command, but that's the reason. So we are leaving Goa.
And we are entering. Maharashtra.
Okay. So
Maharashtra.
we just crossed over the
ये
Goa border.
ये महाराष्ट्र बॉर्डर है ना? ओ कर्नाटका बॉर्डर है. अच्छा.
Okay, and we entered Karnataka.
वेलकम. समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि महाराष्ट्र यार है कर्नाटका यार.
Thank you.
एक सुरपण सांडले मुगो म्हाका तुज्या विनय संवसारू नाका बरें मागून आदिवस करता मोगा काळी सदांच रावतले तुका तूं म्हाका येणे तेणे वाचना करताना तोमा दिना म्हाका परवा तुका ना हांव तुका पोतीन करून पोतीन चिंताना कित्याक सांडून गेले म्हाका समजना जुलियाना.
We are on the Cholla Ghat road. It seems this is probably one of the better roads towards Hyderabad. Since we are on this road, let's also talk about the Cholla Ghat. So Cholla Ghat is basically a beautiful scenic place on the intersection of borders of Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. It's part of the Sahyadri mountain range of Western Ghats and it's at a 800-meter height from sea level, and it has almost 200 types of migratory birds and few rare species of wildlife such as barred wolf snake. Wow. I think it captivates visitors with its majestic serene waterfalls and tranquility. Some of the popular treks are Twin Vajra waterfalls, Lasni Temp Peak and Cholla Ghat viewpoint. Lot of people from all these adjoining states visit this place during monsoon because it seems this place is a perfect monsoon retreat and extremely popular amongst the visitors.
Want to see from here?
Your handbrake is engaged.
তোর গাড়ি পিছানোর কি দরকার ছিল?
This is dumb.
আরে এগুলো কেন দরকার ছিল?
But look at the view. The view is awesome. Mama, there is a barricade. We're not gonna
চুপ কর চুপ কর। জয় বাবা লোকনাথ, জয় গণেশ, জয় গণেশ, জয় গণেশ, জয় হনুমান, জয় হনুমান জ্ঞান গুণ সাগর, জয় কপি সিতিহু লোক উজাগর। খবর কি হবে এবার?
अरे वेट.
Oh, Papa's. Mama, do not move. Do not be hyper tense. You're going to create the weight.
Why the hell you had to stop here? পড়ে গেছে। আমি উঠে অন্যদিকে গিয়ে দাঁড়াবো যদি ওয়েটটা কম হয়।
ना पड़ेगा.
ও মা গো মা।
ఉపయోగం లేదు దయచేసి మీరు డైల్ చేసిన నంబర్ ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The dialed number does not exist. Please check the number you have dialed. आपके द्वारा
Our car got stuck in Cholla Ghat. Samrat wanted to take a view, and in order to take the view, the car just got stuck at the edge of the Cholla Ghat, guys. We are super scared. The car is not moving, and it's absolutely on the edge of Cholla Ghat. So this is the truck which finally helped us to go out of this situation. हम लोग यहाँ पे पूरा फंसे हुए थे, कार साइड में अटक गया था and it was not moving.
और हम
And
रो
then
रहे थे,
some-
पागल हो गए.
And then there are some truck drivers and taxi drivers who stopped by. और उन लोगों ने बहुत कोशिश की and finally this truck came as a savior. और रस्सी से बांध के हमारे गाड़ी को निकल के लेके आए. So thankful to this truck driver. And finally we are out of this situation by God's grace. Oh God, what a moment. Okay. We have been doing a lot of road trips for the last 1.5 years, but it was one of a kind experience today, and I used to think that I have become maybe not a pro, but pretty experienced while doing road trips. I think God proved me otherwise today. I still have miles to go before being an experienced traveler on road. Here is what happened.
I stopped the car, I wanted to reverse. While reversing, I actually reversed into a small ditch. But what happened is, the back tire fell into a bigger ditch. So, to pull the car out, only the front tire, that too one of them was in air and the other one was grounded. So one tire का traction से गाड़ी को pull करना था. अभी इतना भारी गाड़ी है, लोग बैठे हैं, सामान है, तो it could not pull and hence it got stuck. And the side it got stuck was the cliff side. So the person sitting on my side thought that she has already fallen down in the cliff.
No, it was the car was at the edge. Matlab, here is the car and here is the railing, right?
So ultimately, net, there was a taxi driver who stopped by, who tried with
इसका
me
नाम भी हमें नहीं पता.
who tried putting rocks, small rocks, पत्थर, pebbles डाल के to level the ground, but still it could not because it was quite a ditch. Finally, after about 30 minutes of koshish, empty truck was passing by, so we stopped the truck. The truck actually towed us out. बस हो गया, खत्म. All
Guys,
excitement over.
it was not that simple, okay? It was not that simple. It was an hour ordeal, ठीक है? I think हमारे जगह पे कोई और होता तो ये पूरे मोमेंट को वीडियो में शायद कैप्चर करता, शायद हमारा व्लॉग वायरल भी हो जाता इस चक्कर में. बट आई थिंक हमारा ध्यान उस टाइम पे सिर्फ
रोने पे था.
was to get out of the situation. नहीं, रोने पे नहीं था. Obviously I was the one who got panicked, and I panicked because I was on that side of the car which was at the edge,
So was I.
and so is my son. हम सब गाड़ी में बैठे थे and the car was tilted and I could feel that the car was not stable. It was trembling or shaking. I could feel that and I was petrified because I was feeling कि यार कोई भी मोमेंट पे ये गिर सकता है खाई में, क्योंकि that was the condition. So what I did was I immediately called up Taj Exotica where we were staying. I called up one lady, Ninotska. She's an angel. I called her up and I said this is what happened because Mahindra का जो टोल फ्री नंबर है ऑनलाइन मुझे मिला. I was just not able to connect through it, but I know के we stayed in Taj and Taj takes care of its guests. So I just called that lady and God bless her. Immediately Taj team called us back. We told them the situation and within few minutes we got call from police, first from Goa police, and then the Goa police came to know that we crossed the Karnataka border. So then I got call from Karnataka police. They took the location, but by the time they were able to come down, we were already towed out of that situation by that truck. So we informed the police officer. Police officer said okay, but when you are at the border again, moving out of Karnataka, you have to stop and report. But right now, by God's grace, we are out of that situation. It was It was a day I'll never forget. We stopped at Regenta Resort at Belgaum. So we stopped here for breakfast. It is 9:30. We have covered a little over 100 kilometers. So this is their breakfast restaurant. We are having breakfast. This is the inside of the place. There is a buffet spread. You have options to have buffet as well as a la carte. We opted for buffet so that we can quickly finish our breakfast and head back to the road. And usuals on our plate, idli vada. The only difference is we have also taken some tea cakes to go with the tea, which we needed so badly, and then we will be back to the road. Our princess is having her food in the car, the best place for her to have food. And that's the outside of this place. So this is the entry gate. Okay, just look at the view, guys. I mean, we also saw similar views earlier, but we're not in a mental state to capture. I think after the breakfast tea, got some energy back and stability back. So yeah, hopefully we will be able to capture some good moments and also will be able to share. We are driving through the streets of Belgaum right now. So let us tell you all a little bit about this place. Belgaum is also called Belgavi. It's in southwest Karnataka, famous for Belgaum Fort. It's a melting pot of Kannada, Konkani, Maratha and Goan cultures. Also, people from different religions harmoniously live in this place. So there is a famous Kapileshwara temple which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. There are centuries old mosques, you can see one of them right now, which are here. Then there is a famous Jain temple called Kamala Basti and a famous pink stone church called St. Mary's Church. So you name it, you have it, right? A perfect representation of diversity that our country is so well known for.
Okay, after a lot of drama and situations, we are now on one big highway, NH48. NH48 connects Mumbai to Cochin. We are going towards Mumbai. So we are en route to Sangli and Kolhapur. So we will not touch Kolhapur or Sangli, we will bypass. And then from there we will touch on to NH65 towards Hyderabad.
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुन ओ मुसाफिर हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर कदम कदम मिलाए जा गगन गगन झुकाए जा रख हौसला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है
डरना तो बंदया रुकना तो बंदया राह पे चल बंदया डरना तो बंदया रुकना तो बंदया राह पे चल बंदया.
We are crossing
Hitkal Reservoir.
We are crossing Hitkal Reservoir, and because of the rain, it's filled with water.
Hitkal Dam is a very renowned dam. We have studied in geography.
It's looking so beautiful.
Beautiful breeze.
Western Ghats as well as the dam. What were you telling them?
Pathetic road. For that they are collecting toll. So I was asking them whether the toll is for the road that we covered or the road that we're going to drive on. So he
Uh-huh.
said, "Sir, the road that you covered was better than the road that you're going to drive on."
Oh
He said, "Then
my
don't
God.
take the toll."
Oh my god. Stopped for a chai break. Didn't sleep quite well last night, so needed a quick cup of tea. तो सलगर चाय की चाय कैसे है पापा?
सागर चाय,
सलगर चाय,
सागर चाय.
सलगर पापा.
इधर लिखा हुआ है सागर. छे.
11:40, close to 190 kilometers done. Still 510 kilometers to go. Papa
Yeah.
cleaning the glass so that अच्छी views आए. We are passing by a place called Sankeshwar, which is in the border of Karnataka. The interesting thing is when you see the people and their attire, the language that they speak, because we stopped at a tea stall to have a cup of tea. They seem to be Marathi people, Marathi Manus, but it's this place is part of Karnataka, and you see the vehicle boards, right?
Signboards, number plates obviously,
Number
but signboards
plates.
and all government buildings bearing Kannada write-ups.
Yeah.
So basically there is one group of people who wants to declare themselves as Kannadigas. There is another group of people who wants to declare themselves as Marathis. So that's the
So it
that's the
looks
fight.
like these people are caught in the mix and dilemma.
Political fight.
Yeah, mix of a political
It is.
fight.
And this
and-
fight will never end because this is the essence of politics.
But the place is extremely beautiful, and yeah, it's a very, very, very beautiful place. And if you have been seeing the road, trees on both the sides, and particularly the drive-in monsoon,
This
it's
place is
looking
in
very
Nida
beautiful.
Soshi.
Hira Sugar Institute of Technology, Nida Soshi. Yeah, hope the people one day get what they want. That's all we can think at this moment. I used to wonder why people go for monsoon drives when it's raining, the roads are slippery, it's so risky, and visibility is also reduced. But now, after taking a road trip in monsoon, I probably realize why. The view that one experiences in course of the drive is probably the best view that one can get while one is on the road. We have taken road trips during winter, during summer, and in other season, but what we are experiencing during monsoon in terms of the view and the landscape and the picturesque beauty on either side of the road is amazing.
We have taken road trip in monsoon also. We went to Aurangabad, no? It was in monsoon.
It was in monsoon,
August.
but
We did
though
not get the rain.
we did not get any rain.
Or even the terrain was not like how it was this time.
Yeah, because we are right now taking a drive through tropical areas.
And the seaside, no? And it is
Yeah,
receiving
coastal areas. Yeah,
heavy rainfall. Plus we are crisscrossing against the Western Ghats,
Correct.
which receives so much of rainfall.
so that's why we are experiencing the monsoon drive in its true way, true
Sense, yeah.
form. Yeah, and hence we would also recommend you to go for a road trip during monsoon, but take all the necessary precautions and measures while you do so. And there you go, windmills, plenty of them.
क्यों ना हम तुम चले
ले टेढ़े मेढ़े से रस्तों पे नंगे पाँव रे चल
Krishna River.
We are crossing the beautiful Krishna River.
क्यों ना हम तुम फिरे जाके अलमस्त पहचानी राहों के परे चल भटक लेना बावरे इन टिमटिमाती निगाहों में इन चमचमाती अदाओं में लुके हुए छुपे हुए है क्या ख्याल बावरे
Okay, we just crossed over into Maharashtra again. We were in Karnataka. So the road is crisscrossing between Karnataka and Maharashtra. Now we are in Maharashtra. We are bypassing a place called Sangli, and it's popularly called the turmeric city of India. Because it is the largest producer of turmeric not only in India but in the whole of Asia. And Sangli, along with its twin city Miraj, constitutes the healthcare hub of Maharashtra, because together they have 1,000 plus hospitals and clinics spread across. Sangli is basically located on the banks of river Krishna and is home to lots of sugar factories, almost 30 plus sugar factories. It's an incredibly lively place and is popularly known for its Sagareshwar Animal Sanctuary, Gokak Waterfall and Chandoli National Park. What a third executive. We found a food plaza. Done with our lunch, but could not capture the moment as we were all very hungry. Our usuals are jeera rice, dal, and aloo jeera, and that's what we had.
8 minutes.
We finished lunch in 8 minutes. There is our Motu and Angel in the Motu. Obviously, we can't get Angel inside, so we have parked the car right beside the restaurant. पी ले बाबा, और नहीं रुकेंगे, पी ले. नहीं, she didn't drink. She drank.
Only in the way, want it only on the day, want it only with the understand, and every single day, want it only in the way, want it only on the day, want it only with the understand, and every single day, want it you. City with the weight upon a city in the way, want a city with the safety, ever never in the best, and on a city with the weight upon a city in the way, want a city with the safety, ever never in the best, and on you. We rush after you, your red light. Won't we see you once again? In foreign soil, in foreign land. Who will guide us through the end? Oh.
We are bypassing Solapur. Interestingly, Solapur is known for its highest production of biri. The first waste to energy electricity plant in Maharashtra is actually situated in Solapur. और यहाँ पे large scale में pomegranate के farming होते हैं. And the National Research Center on Pomegranate of India is actually located in Solapur.
We are connecting to NH65.
And on that note, we are leaving Solapur and connecting to NH65. This is
which
the
is a Mumbai Hyderabad or Mumbai Vijayawada highway.
and first time we saw Hyderabad on the milestone board.
Yep.
First time in the last 9 hours. So we are at Solapur bypass having evening chai and chips, unhealthy food. But पेट पूजा जरूरी है. We are very hungry right now. We are crossing Naldurg and you can see on your screen the famous Naldurg Fort. Naldurg Fort fort is a famous place of heritage in Maharashtra. It is named after Nal Raja. तो कहा जाता है कि नल राजा ने नालदुर्ग फोर्ट बनाया था. But some people say that there was some king from the Chalukya dynasty who built this fort. Eventually, this fort was taken over by Bahmanis. From Bahmanis, it was taken over by Adil Shahi of Bijapur dynasty, and eventually the Mughals took the control of this fort. So this fort supposedly has 117 bastions. This fort is built on Bori River, which we just crossed, and is an extremely popular place in Naldurg. It's 6 o'clock. We stopped for a quick tea break again because Samrat is feeling a bit sleepy. I'm also feeling sleepy, but I'm not driving. Samrat is feeling sleepy.
No, actually we tell everyone to sleep well, but
I was
हमारा
exactly
कभी
saying that.
सोना होता नहीं है. मतलब we don't get the sleep. I don't know why.
Trip के पहले. तो
एक तो every day we get late. Every time.
So यहाँ पे हम लोग रुके थे. इसका लोकेशन क्या है? What is the location, Papa?
This is right before Omerga.
This is right before Omerga. चाय अच्छी है, थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मीठी है.
You have to do still 2 border crossings.
Another 3 hours to go as per Google. So by the time we reach, it would be around 9 p.m. Let's see. Hope we don't get any rain during this time. Fingers crossed. Let's see. 10 to 7, and we are entering Telangana. Finally, home state. महाकाल के चेले हैं, कौन से अकेले हैं, हम तो महाकाल के दीवाने हैं. जयकाल महाकाल. It's 8:30 now, and we have finally reached Hyderabad. It took us 14.5 hours to reach Hyderabad. We honestly did not expect that we will make it by 8:30, given the fiasco that happened in the morning where we lost 1 hour, and the road condition in the beginning of our journey, which was a good 6 to 7 hours, where we had single lane roads in bad condition, cutting through villages, towns, not enough opportunity to gain pace and momentum. But things changed when we got into National Highway 166, and from there on we were able to cover ground and make up for some of the lost time. If you have seen our vlog, we had taken the Molem Ghat road while coming from Hyderabad to Goa, and that road condition is pathetic. It is not good. It was risky, and that's why we did not take that route. Amboli Ghat route would have been longer, and hence we took the Chola Ghat route. We also got flood alerts in the Belgaum to Bijapur road, right? So these are the several reasons why we chose this route, and it's very important that you do your research and find out about the road condition and everything before you finalize on the route. Hope this vlog helped you understand the route from Goa to Hyderabad, the road condition, the different pit stops that you can take, and help you plan your trip back to Hyderabad from Goa better. Hope you enjoyed this journey with us virtually, and do let us know your comment, your feedback. If this kind of content suits you, do subscribe us, and thank you to all our subscribers for supporting us and giving us all the love. Until our next vlog, this is Samrat, Chandrima and Muffin and Angel signing off. Take care, stay safe, keep exploring incredible India, keep taking your pets wherever you can. Bye bye, love you.
Bye.